Okay, so I want to show you my super quick favourite lunch. Now, if you are using something like coleslaw, I highly recommend you put it on the scales, set it to 0, take out your portion, put it wherever you need it, and the number on the scales will then show you how much you've used. So that was about a tablespoon, about 50 grams. Move that out of the way, put this back in. Okay, so my next favourite thing to use, pre-cooked chicken. So easy. You could, of course, cook your own, and we want to make sure we're getting a nice amount there. So we're aiming for around about 20 grams of protein. So pop that into the wrap. Then we always want to make sure we're getting some vegetables. So I'm going to pop some salad in there. Doesn't really matter what it looks like, it's all going to get squeezed up. And then my personal favourite, reduced fat cheese. So this actually has 29 grams of protein per 100 grams compared to just 21 grams of fat. So it is higher in protein than it is in fat. And I'm just going to grate a little bit on the top just to kind of stick my wrap together. Okay, that is looking good. And there we have it, lunch ready in under 3 minutes.